Hello friends, this is Mirza Abdullah Ali Beg with you. I thought of making a raw footage for us on the journey of an entrepreneurship. There are four things I wanted to talk today. The first one is A for attitude. Entrepreneur need to have an attitude of a servant who is ready to serve with his services, and this he is going to do the work anywhere and everything that can be done. The second thing is B for building. Building does not mean the building which is standing behind me, the wonderful building or the beautiful building. Building a business requires a different kind of mindset and heart set. Sometimes it may happen in 1 year, and sometimes it may take 3, 5 or 15, 20 years or maybe 30 years as well. But once you have a long-term attitude, you will be able to build any business to the hilt and you will be successful. The third point I want to discuss in this raw video, which I am making, you can see the Hyderabad IKEA showroom behind me. So the C stands for caring. Care for your customer. And who is your customer? Your customer can be anybody who is ready to pay you the money that you are asking for, whom you can serve. And this customer can come from anywhere. Hence, you should treat every person you meet, irrespective of his position, as your potential customer directly, or a person who will lead to the customers very soon. Okay. The fourth thing I want to talk about is D. D for devoting your time and energy. Okay. It's your dedication that is going to get you the maximum success, and this devotion has to be always of a servant who is ready to take the product or services to the customer, and it has to continuously be serving, dedicating towards amplifying your services or maximizing your potential. And that is how you build an entrepreneurship journey. And this journey can start with you today, and I wish you all the very best.